Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. If you've got a problem with your Renault Trafic van, maybe Vauxhall Vivaro, when you turn your ignition on and you get parking sensor check, and there's evidently a fault with your parking sensor, you could have a damaged wire on one of your ultrasonic bumper mounted sensors. A couple months back, I had a young lady that nudged my bumper in a car park, and which dislodged the actual ultrasonic sensor capsule from the bumper. The bracket that holds it within the bumper is injection molded, and it broke all that. So I've actually glued the with resin the actual piece of the bracket that holds the sensor back in place, because I don't see the point of buying a whole brand new plastic bumper skin just to replace that. So I've reattached that and I've glued that with epoxy. I'll show you that in another video. But the problem I had is one of my sensors was knocked out and it actually broke the sense wire. So on the ultrasonic sensors there are 3-wire detector, so you've obviously got voltage, plus, negative, and maybe then a signal wire that comes after that, which works for your canvas system. But if you turn your ignition on and you're getting this beep, if you press your button beside the steering wheel here with P and an arrow, and you get a red light, that will disable the audible tones and also the warning message that appears on your dash. So the button is depressed. I press it in now, red light on the button comes on, the message goes away and the beep will go away. But that will happen every time you turn the ignition on and off. So you'll need to press the button to deactivate it until a time when you can get your sensors fixed, or you can fault check the wiring in your rear bumper skin for your ultrasonic sensor circuit. But I hope that video helps someone. I figured it out myself, but this may help others that are struggling with the same issue. If you've enjoyed the video, please subscribe, support the channel, help it grow. Press the bell icon for notifications when new videos are published. Leave a comment, give it a like, give it a share. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching my channel. Take care.